Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Any trades? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Nothing. Yeah, I agree with you. Nothing for now. My plan this morning was to short from 15-minute fair value gap, but we never ever hit 15-minute fair value gaps. Yeah, like okay, flat. I wanted to short right from this 15-minute fair value gap. What was the problem to hit this level? I don't know. I don't know. One trade on micro gold. Great. I took two trades yesterday on silver, one loss, one win. Yeah, small loss. It was like $300, but I made a no. I'm profit $700. I made $1,000 in that trade. Another trade. So there was a trade in 30-minute fair value gap. Okay. Still, doesn't make sense. We got untapped fair value gap on 15-minute fair value gap, and I was looking like we're going there, then dropped to also down to RDOB at 36.71. Never happened. 4 trades today already. 4 trades, crazy. Like I'm a person who takes like 1-2 trades a day, and 4 trades sounds crazy. Well, let's see. I have a plan to trade gold. What we have on silver. Still trying to respect the inventory value gap, which I do like. But so here's what's my trades on silver last night. Last win. Exactly same idea, but this one didn't play out. As you can see, like really tight stop loss. Next one play out. Let's see if we get a bit lower on silver. Oh, that's the chart. Okay. Hello, 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 guys. Hello. So you are your fair value gap right below liquidity level, short-term liquidity level. So yeah, makes sense. You know, gold right now a bit annoying because once again, I didn't mind this short because I want to short as well. But they're really trying to play lots of games with this fair value gap. So I kind of. Easy trading on Euro yesterday. Yeah, I do remember. This play out again. Yeah, I also feel like it was from nowhere. Like one tick away from 15-minute fair value gap, I'm not going to lie, it was extremely obvious level to hit and drop from there. They said, extremely obvious? We're going to drop without you, Dasha, so what you talking about? I'm like, well, great, of course, no problem. Yeah, Asia offered amazing short on gold, but I decided to trade silver because I'm not going to lie. I saw like silver was amazing, like obvious level to upside, 15-minute order block. It hit on your chart. Let's check on micro gold because it never hit on this chart. Hmm. Well, situation like this is always annoying because on micro gold we hit this. I didn't even pay attention on this. Anyway, still annoying. It's untapped fair value gap, basically breakaway gap. I call this like real distribution fair value gap. I talk about this on my YouTube channel a long time ago, I guess last year. What is scam? Okay. Well, we got triple sweep 1, 2, 3. We got double sweep on hourly. We got 5-minute OB. We got 3-minute OB as well. So basically, we got order block on both 3-minute chart and 5-minute chart. Like it lines up. I will like to call this 5-minute OB. But that's it. How was gym? It was okay. It's always okay. There's lots of people there. Microgold does not have 1 hour flat candle. Okay, that's also good to know, you know? Yeah. I will look for short on gold. Let's see if we get any opportunity to short something today. But let's leave it for now, since there's no opportunity, right? Okay, ignoring this. So in Q, remember I told us yesterday on Tradify TV that I wanted to see higher. It was just unnecessary 2 hours chop, like absolutely unnecessary. So I was bullish yesterday during PM session. I took long with 10 micros. My risk was like 9 points in that range. I took long on NQ to aim for levels that I mentioned on my stream on Tradify TV. So I still bullish. So we're approaching all-time high, as you can see on NQ. But you know, like lots of levels lower, and that's the most annoying part. How NQ ignoring every single level lower, just keep going high without any retracement. Well, so plan. I'm not sure what kind of plan. Maybe the test of 940 level. Like we dropping back to data low. Maybe not data low, maybe to this OB. Like ideally, maybe something like this. At least I'm not sure about reversal, but retracement down today back to 940s, 930s will be nice. Let me show you ES chart. Yeah, it never tested New York midnight open. Guys, what is your bias? Obviously, it's bullish, but what level are you looking for today? Yeah, all-time high seems good target. Tomorrow is CPI, and the most important question, what we can get. All-time high. You mean like all-time? You have serious question, and like ignore the fact that you trade funded account. If you feel okay on evaluation, like every single time when you open your chart, think like you trade evaluation. Because you know, like feeling a bit different when you trade, for example, your personal account and funded account. Just keep in mind, funded account is still SIM account, like your eval, right? Yeah, just need to understand this. I have 50K. I have TradeDefy straight to funded 150K. I have my funded futures 50K and 100K. I have take profit. It's like mix, like right. Take profit trade 150K as well, but most my accounts 50K. Most of my accounts. All right, all right. Well, guys, share with me what is your bias on NQ and ES. Let's compare our analysis. Yeah, Apex will have activation fee. That's why eval, like you know, like when eval is cheap, most likely it's going to have activation fee. When eval is not cheap, expensive, this means probably you're not going to have activation fee. Like you need to choose what you want to pick. Right? When it was 90% off on Apex, activation fee was $85 per account. Right now, I guess it's like 140, 150, like regular one. So I paid twice less. It's good news. Well, can we get set up today, please? Asking for friend. Just give me a good setup. Is it for me? Basically, the tracker did not complete the so most likely draw. Most likely draw on liquidity. You mean on gold? Once again, even like okay, you need to trade 8 days before payout, and you keep saying like it's expensive, but you have 20 accounts. This means your payout at least is 40K every 8 days. So if you have 20 accounts, okay, is it for me? Okay, got it. So you just need to pick what you want. For example, I have 20 Apex. Um, Once again, I have TPT, Take Profit Trader, because of daily payouts. Apex doesn't offer daily payouts. For example, TradingView, straight to funded, so I don't need to care about these evaluations anymore. Like every prop firm has something that other prop firm does not have, right? You just need to pick. On gold, honestly, my initial plan this morning was like before PPI news. We're going up to 15-minute fair value gap, which failed on gold, and then drop. I would like to short to early OB at 3671.6. You like Top Step? I did like Top Step, but I don't like Top Step X platform. It's not for me. Just not for me. Once again. Trading drawdown, it's fine. Like I used to trade with trading drawdown. I don't see any issue with it. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Plan today is to trade straight to funded because I hope I'm close to payout. So I would like to earn more. My risk is pretty much the same by the 150K and 150K, $300, $400. What is my upward target on NQ? Obviously, it's an all-time high if we go there. So let's guys focus a little bit. We're trying to respect 3-minute OB. So the question is like the most important question: can we get another move down if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles? Like short below this level. Obviously not right now. I'm just like thinking aloud, so trying to understand what kind of move I would like to get. Like short. Guys, I'm going to stick to gold because gold moves during AM session pretty well recently. So plan is like first plan A. Like if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles, quick short for like 8-10 points on gold, or it's going to fail to close. Probably will try to offer another attempt to go higher to the 15-minute fair value gap. Then same short idea. Like once again, this morning when I just opened my chart, my initial plan was we want to go up to 15-minute fair value gap, then drop. But once again, we have two plans. Let's see which one is going to play out. Yep. Gold. I hate to predict, honestly. I'm just trying to react what market gives me in real time. I'm once again on gold, I'm totally fine to flip my bias. Because gold is always bullish, like always, right? I'm totally fine once again to flip my bias. But for now, as I said, let's see if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles. Can we get like quick move down, like 8-10 points? Yeah, I longed silver, honestly, not gold. But yeah, it was nice on both gold and silver. Yes, I do trade futures. Oh, by the way, guys, let's check Euro futures. Maybe we can see something good there. So we don't need to stick to. Sorry, guys, we don't need to stick to gold today, maybe. Well, nothing. Like, okay, like talking about potential like setup. We got a trade. Nah, nothing. Yeah, not worth it. Not going to touch this. Back to silver, nothing. Guys, did you check CL this morning? What is going on there? Nothing. Okay, back to silver. Maybe silver setup, who knows? Setup for short on gold was around like 7:30 or 7:15. I wasn't at home because my kids had hockey classes. When I came back home, I saw like okay, I missed a trade, which is totally fine. I saw setup on silver. I entered twice, one loss over here, one win over here. Posted executions on Twitter, but it is what it is. So stop me out here for, I believe it was like $300 loss, and here it was win for a bit more than $1,000. I'm famous. How is it even possible? Come on. I'm the most humble person in this trading space. And you will hit all-time high. Possibly. Let's see. So far, I mean, like nothing I like probably on NQ and ES. Yes, I am. Where are you from? I'm from Belarus. Belarus. You know, like it's hard to say. We're really approaching all-time high so far, and the most important question: can we retrace back to data low first? We actually stuck between data low, data high, so PPI low, PPI high. Where are you from? Yeah, your favorite question, right? Yeah, once we hit 30K subscribers on my YouTube, I will do big giveaway. But new giveaways coming about soon this week. I will do TradeZella giveaway. TradeZella giveaway. We're going to the moon? Yeah, probably. So data high is basically news high or news low. Everyone expects trade cut. Yes, probably it will happen. Most likely it's happen. I'm not from Ukraine, I'm from Belarus. But yeah, it's close to this, so lots of people think like I'm from Ukraine. Why? I mean, yeah, my like I speak Russian, but like my first language should be Belarusian. But in my country, we call this like dead language, so no one speaks Belarusian anymore. But Belarusian pretty much similar to Ukrainian. I live in the US, in Florida, to be more specific. I moved like 9 years ago. Yeah, accent. That's Russian accent. Yeah. Some people hate it. Some people love it. So Orlando here. Perfect. So I'm 50 minutes away from Orlando. I live in Cocoa Beach. So yeah, it's close to this. I'm not really British on Q. I just would like to see the tracement. It doesn't mean like I'm British. You can. Oh, yeah, send me. I will check this. At least you're going to visit Minsk because I'm not going to do this. At least one person. Yeah, send me photos. How how like US? I mean, that's okay. Lots of people from Florida I noticed like that's nice. That's nice. Guys, don't forget to participate in Ninja Trader competition. So I'm going to participate as well. Are you married? Oh, my favorite question. Used to work in Coca. Yeah. It's I like this place. By the way, my husband wants to move back to Fort Lauderdale. I mean, Fort Lauderdale, it's not for me. Like lots of people there. Yeah, it's kind of not for me. But probably, like with 99% chance we are going to move to Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. I used to live in Fort Lauderdale back to 2017. Hello, guys. Hello. West Palm Beach is nice. I lived in Dania Beach. It's next to Hollywood. Then I moved to Delray Beach. It's next to Boca Raton, where I lived. Yeah, that's it in Florida. Oh, look at this move. Yeah, it's exactly what I expect to get 940 test, 930 test. Then I moved to North Carolina. I lived in North Carolina for 3 years. And right now I live next to Cocoa Beach. Hmm. Yeah, pretty much what I expected to get. Would like to see still lower to 949 to the area. Do you give your husband ICT lectures? No. Oh, interesting. 70% chance, 75% chance. Okay. What do you think about gold? Overall, I want to short, but the only problem on gold, I want to see the tracement to 50-minute fair value gap first. British fair value gap. He's not really like trader. He's not really day trader, but he trades sometimes. So let's focus a little bit right now. Can yeah, like I was in Miami 2 weeks ago, like in downtown, and I was like, people crazy there. They barely can know how to drive. I mean, it was crazy. Like almost every single like street that I was crossing was like heart attack. Yeah, it's crazy. I would say same in Orlando. I don't like how people drive in Orlando. Yeah, it's not for me. Yeah, 940. Okay, we got exactly what we want to see. I mean, what I wanted to see. We got the test of 30-minute OB. So we're approaching data low. Oh, I forgot to highlight data low on yes. But you got my point. Like data low here. So far, it's crazy, I would say. I mean, yeah, I expected to get drop, but I did not expect to get that fast. But it's okay. I will stay on 3-minute chart anyway. As you can see on 3-minute chart, like without chasing, like there were like no entry at all. Anyway, nice move. Nice move. Do you recommend any? Yes, I can recommend one OB indicator. Give me 1 second. I have solid indicator for change in the state of delivery. And you know why I like this? Because that actually highlights order blocks that I use. Because I used to try to trade, use OB from Lux Alga. It was like just off, like completely different levels. So send in the chat right now, guys. Here's a change in the state of delivery indicator. Absolutely amazing indicator. I believe it has alerts. So the plan, like we're going something like this retracement. So it's not valid anymore. We never closed. Let's see if it's going to offer another attempt to this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, 0 entries. Yeah, you know, like I was trying to find like solid indicator for change in the state of delivery before. And yeah, I tried at least like 5 indicators, and it always highlighted just random like candlestick. I was like, how is it even possible like to be like order block here? But that one, amazing. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'm sending the link right now. This one. So basically, that's exactly what I do. Probably it's not going to highlight this right now, but let's see. So as you can see, for example, it right now highlights potential order block. So if it's going to close, it's going to be OB. Yeah, on yes, it's ugly. Maybe on gold, but also gold like was ugly this morning. It was just straight move. But let's see if it's going to highlight something. You got my point. Just try this. Just current price action looks bad. That's why it doesn't make any sense to look for order block, I would say. But you got my point. Yeah, if any important questions you can ask. You know, the most annoying part, not only on gold, but most of the time it's going to be on gold, is when it's really trying to take like important level, you anticipate to get reaction from this level to, like, for example, like short, and it just one tick away and just unnecessary drop, and you're waiting for something, like you asking yourself like, is it continuation lower right now? Like anticipate continuation lower, or are you finally going to come back there? And even right now, it's so tricky because we got almost half of moves that I expected to get. And the question is, what we can get, like 15-minute fair value gap and then another drop? Yeah, I will trade PM session. Exactly. You mean like we were waiting for a long yesterday on stream on TradingView TV. Just it's so annoying that between 12:30 and 2 p.m. we just inch up, just range 20 points range 2 days in a row, and nothing is going on. But for like yeah, power hour normally delivers us. Are you trading in Q? I I trade in Q, especially like PM session because gold doesn't want to move. But most of my trades is gold. But yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on gold in case it wants in Q in case it wants to offer something. I trade everything, so let's see where is better setup. I mean futures like silver, gold, CL. You got my point. So we just broke this 15-minute OBM. All right, all right. So nothing on silver. Look at this volume. There is no volume. Do you see little sweep on NQ? Yesterday, I mean, like long yesterday on NQ was quite obvious once we got break of structure to upside on 5. But you know, it was the most annoying part yesterday was when I was streaming this, like we just stuck over here. No, over here, right? Absolutely nothing is going on here, right? So we're looking for long inside this chop. Never ever offered solid opportunity, so I just was sitting on my hands. I entered the long, yeah, at 3 p.m., around like 3 p.m. to get this move, like, boom. But it was annoying anyway. Does this job? No, thank you. So bias, height of bias is bullish on NQ, but there is a chance to see move lower first. I believe yes wants to take data low or New York midnight open. Yeah, it was boring. Just we stuck inside 20 points consolidation yesterday. Yeah, it didn't work at all. I mean, fortunately, maybe unfortunately, it did not offer any setup, like A plus setup to trade there. That mess, that garbage. Come on, like I would say 3 weeks ago, like 4 weeks ago, lunch was okay, like it was tradable. But like last 2 days, maybe because we didn't have any news. But like okay, we got news today. What will happen during lunch? That's also a question, right? But yeah, I will steam lunch anyway. For sessions, I don't use this, but I believe you can just type like kill zones and use that one. I mean, I have this like CS sessions, highlights liquidity levels, some opening prices. Like you can rename this true open, like New York midnight open. Try this one. I used this before, you know. Well, guys, well, let's see what we can get today. Where we can get to trade gold, maybe silver, maybe in Q. So I was looking for like schedule to stream Asia. So probably it's going to be. I hope so. Not going to promise, but it's going to be every Thursday or Monday because my kids have hockey classes on Tuesday, so it's impossible to stream on Tuesday because I'm not home until like 7:20 sometimes. So maybe Wednesday, but Wednesday also like busy schedule. So it's going to be either Monday or Thursday to stream Asia. But so far, I have planned to stream just once a week this session. It was normal. I mean, empty month. No reason to look for empty month right now. We got just. What time do you wake up? At 4:45 a.m. And Q took that low. Let's see what ES did. I mean, that's not actually that's nice move, but at this point, ES doesn't want to provide anything. Like we have SMT, right? 4 days a week. You know, like if I'm going to stream like 4 days a week Asia, I'm not going to stream AM session because it's hard. But yeah, Asia provides setup. I mean, not every day, but often. Why so early? Because my schedule is so busy, so I cannot like go to the gym because if I'm not going to go to the gym, I'm going to be fat. So I need to like do some sport. And only time, like really, guys, I'm not lying right now. Only time what I can do when I can do this is in the morning, like early morning. Do you still take cold bath? Yeah, every day. It's still in the morning. It's so hard, but yeah, I'm trying. 37 degrees. You're so skinny. Fat is good. Are you serious? I lost like more than 50 pounds. Almost 60 pounds. Come on, guys. Interesting. Are you serious? No, I need to drive to the gym. It's like 10 minutes drive from my home. But I do this faster because like there's no cops like at 4 a.m., at 5 a.m. So I can do a bit faster than the speed limit. Today I was driving like it was like 45 speed limit. I was driving maybe like sorry about saying this, but 60. And I was like, it's like 60, it's okay. But the guy next to me was driving like 90. I just saw like, whew. I was like, okay, yeah. 90 and 45. Mm-hmm. Okay. I have warning, by the way. Cop stopped me, I guess it was February or March for speeding. I was okay. It was I deserve this, but he gave me warning, guys. I was like, how is it possible? Like it was highway 70, like 70 speed limit. I was driving 100. I was just trying to pass the truck, and warning, guys. I was like, warning, really? For driving 170? Are you serious? I was like, thank you so much. By the way, I have radar, guys, and it never worked. I mean, like, I'm not sure if he used laser to see my speed. How did he know I was driving 100? I don't know, but I saw like I was, but I know. Oh, I almost don't do cardio, by the way. So far, absolutely nothing's going on. You know, like if like I went to for let's say imagine I went to like driving school, probably I was like okay, but my teacher was my husband, like my husband, the person like that don't know how to drive safely. He's aggressive, by the way, on the road. Like he was my teacher. Yeah. Yeah, I remember that year I was like about to divorce with him because like I know like as if you were trying to teach your wife to drive, but yeah. Just live heavy. I mean, I don't want to look like big man. No, thank you. Okay, let's see what ES will do. ES still kind of stuck. I'm 20 minutes away from Vera Beach, by the way. I was in Vera Beach on Sunday. It was like interesting place. I was trying to find a place to eat, and there was like nothing there. Like how people live there. I know. Let's delete this for now. Okay, guys, let's see what we can get on gold. Maybe another attempt to drop without going to this 15-minute fair value gap. It's okay, I guess. Once again, I'm totally fine to flip the bias because I'm still looking for short from here or from here. I don't really care. Still took sell sides and buy side. Oh, yeah. What is this? Look at this 30-minute and hourly. Nothing to touch here. Ah, no, thank you. I'm still watching gold to get the trade. Range is not that big, but might trade not trade now, but might try to trade like maybe 7-10 micros. I like by the way Mexican food. That's amazing food. I don't like American food at all. Okay, still nothing. I'm totally fine. Sometimes we need to wait for hours to get set up, so I will wait. That's 3-minute chart, still nothing. So I wouldn't long in Q 100% right now. Going to wait for a better structure for this. Look at this 3-minute chart. No, thank you. American food. Are you serious right now? I never ever tried Dominican food, so I need to look for this place to try something. Oh, thank you. Burgers, yeah, it's like meat fried in old oil. Ah, no, thank you. Yeah, I need to try something like lots of people recommend to try Indian food. I never tried this, but yeah, I would like to try something like this. We have some Indian places. Yeah, I need to try this. Yeah. Interesting. ES never was bearish. Never ever. We have potential SIP on ES right now. Yeah, I might actually look for the trade probably on ES because in Q doesn't look so good. For example, if I want to long, I don't see any good setups just yet. But I might look for the trade on, my bad guys, on ES. But preferably on gold. Preferably on gold. Have some water. I do use 2-minute chart, just, like nothing is going on there just yet. Oh, really? In Canada better than in that's interesting. I didn't mute you. Can you drop on 1-minute chart? Of course I can, but I'm not going to use this. Yeah, looking for a yes shift in structure. It's once again, in my humble opinion, NQ still remains bearish. We don't have shift in structure to upside, so I don't want to be aggressive with entry at all. So going to wait more. All-time high today, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's CPI. Who knows? It's kind of close, like 130 points away from current price level. What's the problem with 1-minute chart? No problem, just don't like it personally. I'm not going to long in Q. That's what I know. At least for now. If I see like solid shift, I can try this. But there is no shift, so there is no point to long this just yet for me. See, I told you. That's why I don't use 1-minute chart. Like, doesn't make any sense. We're going here to 870. Need to drop 40 more points. That's what I was talking about. Like, I don't like 1-minute chart. I'm pretty sure like 1-minute chart offered. No, never mind. It offered nothing. But anyway, like long in like that from data low simply because it's data low. It's stupid decision. So let's see if we take London low and Asia low. So to take 24-hour fair value gap. Yeah, like wait for SMT, wait for any shift in structure to enter the trade. Like when we have nothing but you anticipate to get reaction, market doesn't care what you want to see. Would like to see drop to break London and Asia low, 24-hour fair value gap, and maybe from that level look for long. I know like lots of people don't like white background, guys. I'm blind with my left eye, so I don't have choice. I see nothing on black. Gambling Pro Max. Yeah. Now, guys, I learned my mistake, and the most common mistake, not only for me but from everyone, is I always look for reversal. I'm like ready to switch on 30-second chart to find any signs of reversal. I was ready. Right now, no. I just don't want to go lower than 2-minute chart. And if 2-minute chart, 2-minute chart, 3-minute, 5-minute chart does not want to provide any shift in structure, I will stay away. I'm totally fine to enter too late, but no thank you. Blue and black, yeah. Gray is nice. It's basically not white. It's like, yeah, gray color. I like these colors, like, not bright, amazing colors. Mm. So we got a test of previous week high level, and that's it for now. Also, we tested again New York midnight open. Still, there is no shift in structure. At the same time, ES doing nothing. Don't try to look for gold right now. We're waiting for either move to 15-minute fair value gap to look for potential short, like retracement, or it's going to like overreaction from this OT range where we are right now, and then 3-minute OB to short to hourly fair value gap. Nothing yet, so I will keep you updated. I don't want to long. I feel like I would like to see lower overall, but um, yeah, it may go higher, which I'd like, but don't want to long this. Long BTC, no thank you. I mean, I have bitcoins like which we bought like in 2017. So long in like what's the current price? Let me just see. Like long in at one at this price is just fine for me. Silver nothing. Sitting drawdown, absolutely fine with this. So once again, I'm totally fine to take classes. I don't feel bad about this anymore. I just don't care about this. Sitting drawdown, okay. I just don't want to make this worse. I will try again tomorrow. So yeah, I remember I had my funded futures account. I still have it. It was in drawdown like 1900 or something like this. And right now it's like 4K in profit. So I just don't care about this. I don't think about this. If I see setup, I will enter. So I'm not going to try to like recover this from big drawdown or something like this. For example, I have another account with funded next. I was in drawdown like 1400, I believe. Right now I'm up 1K there, 200K account. Like I know like FTMO right now works with US, but yeah. Yeah, I was surprised to recover this account, honestly, because like it's impossible, but I was surprised. I just traded like small and I was surprised. But yeah, happy with this. I don't have accounts right now in drawdown. Like, I mean, I blew my Apex accounts 3 weeks ago. I already have new funded money accounts. Like, there's no accounts in drawdown right now. Fortunately. Yeah, FTMO back in the US, yes. Yeah, that's impressive. I was surprised as well. Come on, gold offer something, please. We tired to wait. It's silver. Mm, I have video about market maker model on my YouTube channel, and I explained how I anticipate to get silver bullet. Give me the trade, please. At least somewhere. Once again, I will use exactly the same approach as I always use. Just waiting to see who is going to offer this first. Okay, the question is if IM session is chop, which I honestly did not expect because I expected to get like solid price action after PPI. So far, mm-mm. Um, so what kind of PM session is going to be at this point? A real question. I'm flat for now, but once again, not going to give up. PM will be good. Let's pray for this. I need some trades. Exactly. Silver bullet is just market maker model. Exactly right. Oh yeah, I started doing the recap yesterdays, and it's going to be like shorts on YouTube. I guess it's easier. It's short, like 1 minute, and like easy to understand. Yeah. We have news for oil, yes, at 10:30. It's not going to affect ES and NQ. Long on gold, you see setup? I don't really see yet. But if you see setup, of course, and there's a trade. Best way to learn market maker model. ICT has some perfect playlist about this from his private mentorship. Also, I have a couple of videos about market maker model. What is CTR? A bit boring, but that's fine. Once again, let's wait. We are not going to give up. We still have lots of time. CRT, like maybe by the way, I don't use ADR by the way at all. No, I mean like maybe it's okay to use. I mean maybe that's smart to use. I don't need this. But yeah, if you're looking especially on gold, if you, normally you need to have this because you want to anticipate average move, right? Which we normally have. If it's like if you're looking for long, but it's already above average, most likely you need to think about this. How do you trade CL? Exactly the same way as I trade a gold. So to use like CL, SMT with HO and RB. You can use ICT SMT indicator, just type like HO RB here, and it's going to highlight your SMT in real time. For NQ, yes, I don't use YM. Alec Khan, I mean, I watch his videos. I mean, it's okay, like good stuff, especially basics. I know he has some sort of like dealing range concept. I never watched this, but once again, everything works. If it works for you, brilliant. SMT indicator, SMT by Fadi, it's nice indicator, like only indicator I like so far. Because it actually highlights when swing forms. It highlights SMT, not like 10 minutes delay. Guys, look at the chat. So here's the link. Yeah, you know, like everything works. You're welcome. Killzone SMT, never ever heard about that. That's something interesting, worth to try. Let's check gold. Oh my god, what happened with gold? Like no volume at all, just stuck in this range. If it's going to offer shift right now on 3-minute chart, I'm not going to even try to short in Q anymore. Okay, we have OT. So it's, yeah, let's see. Closed above previous swing high. So we got attempt to offer break of structure to upside. So it's becoming bullish right now. So if it's going to be bullish, I will aim for London high and previous month's high level, all-time high. Let's see where I can enter, if I can enter at all. Okay, thinking like out loud right now. Like 40 seconds left on this candle. It will form 5-minute OB and breaker block. Can we get reaction or something like this? Let's see. 15 seconds left on this candle. I hope it's not going to... Price action is scary. Like, we can trade micros, couple of micros, if it's going to be like, look so bad. Just to try this. Like, why not? So just for now on gold, I'm watching this 15-minute fair value gap. This level had to be taken like with this 8:30 a.m. news. So we just got 5-minute shift in structure on NQ. So let's see if we get a test of breaker block and order block. So maybe this trade will be in play. DH, by the way, on yesterday's data high. We have SMT. We got the test of New York midnight open and previous week high test. Wants to see a bit lower, but don't really care about this. Let's see how big range overall. Not small one. Not small one. 10:06. Silver bullet time. What a mess here on 1-minute chart. Look at this. Guys, bullish, bearish on NQ right now. You feel like it's not going to offer like a test? It's going to be annoying, but bullish, bullish. Okay. I feel the same way right now. Bearish. Well, we have SMT. We got the test of previous week high on both ES and NQ. Unfortunately, like really unfortunately, ES didn't take data low. And okay, data low, it's okay. New York with net open, the biggest concern. So let's see if we get entry. Let me, like, lots of drawings on my chart. Let's delete some. Going to delete OT. Going to keep my eyes on London low and Asia low. So gonna keep them. First percent rewards on gold. I have no idea. I don't trade first percent fair value gap. I don't feel like I missed anything, by the way. We got a 30-minute inversion. Well, now gold, I believe gold wants to take 15-minute fair value gap at 36.98 first. Let's check silver. I will take the trades where I see like the biggest chance to play out. Because I don't have any like trade idea right now what I want to trade. That's the problem, I guess. Okay, let me switch on 1 minute chart on to see what we have on M and Q. 2 minute chart. 3 minute chart. Okay. Just jump in between time frames. Okay, it's trying to retrace. Let's see. If I can see like solid opportunity right now, I will try this. If not, I'm not gonna try this. That's it. So we got the test of 5 minute. Not really the test, like it was close. So going to highlight 50% of this order block as well. Lens up is data low. Going to delete this for now. Also, we got the test of breaker block on 5. I kind of question this setup for now. We have one more SMT right now, these highs. That's probably why I question this. I just don't, I don't want to chase something. I will give it time. Yeah, I'm not taking this just yet, but hoping to get like solid opportunity. So it's 3 minute chart. So I'm going to highlight right now fair value gap. Here's the type of breaker block. It doesn't look so bad, but like I like this. I will grade this like maybe B minus. Okay, let's see. Let's check ES again. I know yet. Like solid reaction. Let me calculate something. Five-minute owner block. We got break of structure to upside. We got reaction from 3-minute fair value gap. Still trying to react this from this level. MNQ and NQ right now in sync. That's a good sign. Let's see if I may take something right now. Yes, still bullish. So since we stuck between data low and data high, kind of makes sense to take data high right now on both yes and Q. Yeah, you should enjoy trading gold. I think so. Right now, I don't touch gold. I kind of would like to see slightly higher to drop this later. At least it trace, maybe not drop, but it trace. Mm, mm, I know. 5 minute fair value gap. You just entered long on NQ. Okay. I'm still kind of like don't mind, but he'll probably look for displacement to use market order to enter the trade to aim for data high. We'll see. I mean, like, I don't really need to see data high on NQ, but I do like to see data high on ES. Gold is not choppy at all. Just kind of slowly, a little bit slow today. I'm just waiting for to hit this 15-minute fair value gap. It failed with this move over here. Let's see. Once again, I will take the trade on the best one. Like if I see A plus 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 setup on gold, but kind of tricky setup on NQ, I will take on gold. You take short with target at Asia low. Okay, possibly. I don't use 1 minute chart. Nothing is A plus on 1 minute chart for me. Like maybe like this to chop around, you know. Mm-hmm. This is what honestly I anticipate to get like fake sweep. Maybe something like this, but preferable to take this high. Then OT retracement. 5 minute inversion. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check this from here. I'm not looking that far. It's a little bit choppy on NQ right now, which is once again fine. Like no complaints about this at all. Oh, you mean short OT? I told you if you setup, enter, setup. No one, never ever listen anyone. If you see setup, enter. Even if it's not going to play out, enter. You saw your setup, you must enter the trade. I keep in my eyes on gold anyway. All I'm asking is 15 minute fair value gap. Did you sweep this? No, equal highs, right? What was that? You talking about what? In Q? Yes. Someone else? Yeah, months 4 is amazing for content on ICT YouTube channel. Oh, don't worry. I just said like if I remember you asked like about long on gold. I said like if you see step enter, like always follow your rules and analysis. Never ever listen anyone. If even some like if you I don't know like watch someone who has like 110% win rate strategy. I'm kidding right now, but you got the point. And he's shorting, but you see long opportunity, you will take long. Best one also can make mistakes. No one else. I need to watch someone as well from time to time because I watch Brian sometimes in PM session, but that's it. Like no one else. Don't second guess. Exactly right. Exactly right. Let's see if ES can pump to data high. That's what I'm watching. Mm-hmm. I'm also flat for now, so I mean like I'm totally fine. Like I got Asia trade again. If you just joined, I took Asia long on silver. It was one loss, one win. Exactly same target. Just first entry was bad and from nowhere. Like we learn from our mistakes. So paid for my mistake. So I entered the trade on 5. So we got a test of 5-minute OB. I entered the trade. It stopped me out almost immediately. As I said, like normally when I enter the trade and it doesn't want to go in my favor, most likely it's going to stop me. So I re-entered again, immediately went in my favor. A retracement, which is fine. Once again, it went in my favor immediately. I just was sitting in this trade. See the difference? Over here, it was really in the middle of nowhere. I saw this equal lows. I was like, let me try this anyway. It was just one contract, mini contract on both trades. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, yesterday, I keep saying this and I will continue saying this. Um, Gold doing Asia is brilliant. Really, don't try to trade silver. Low volume, like barley moves, but it's really amazing uh, on gold. Just really between 7 and 10 p.m. Check gold every day. Texted too long? All right. Yes, gold. Gold during Asia kill zone. Uh-huh. What time? Between 7 and 10 p.m. New York time. You always stopped. How is it possible? Like, in my opinion, on gold, the best moves really like A plus 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 setup happens 9 of 10 times. Wow. Yesterday 2 wins. It was short and long, right? On 5. Yeah, it was like when I saw that setups, like I didn't have any questions. It's already perfect. Looked perfect. You send me message? Okay, I'm gonna check this after Steam. Because of me. How do you like gold so far? What is this? Where? What happened? Flat candle that does not have a wick, right? So we swept this equal highs. Let's see if my retracement down to these lows again. Maybe slightly lower. Come on. Asia was brilliant. Each time it offered 2R. Even more, but who cares about more? How do you short? What do you mean? Where? Yesterday, the retracement was nice on gold to short it for 2R. Then we longed. I longed on silver, but exactly the same idea. Yes, approaching data high. About, yeah, I can do this. It's going to be my new video about Asia pre-market and AM session, because I don't trade PM session. PM session, in my humble opinion, is garbage on gold. I mean, I'm not saying like it offers bad setups. It's just not for me. Low volume? No, I'm not going to sit in that mess. Yes, I have video about this. Just go on my YouTube. I explained strategy trade on gold. Yeah, I will start streaming Asia one time a week. It's going to be either Monday or Thursday. Probably Thursday. No, potential sweeps. You look from 62. What level you aiming for? Yeah, Thursday also works better for me than Mondays. All time high. Okay. Totally possible to see all time high, but for now, I would like to see just 50 minutes fair value gap. 20 points. Okay. I don't feel bad like that I didn't touch this. It still feels like mess. Like ideally, let's see if my trace to this lows again over here. Like OT retracement, you know? Yeah, to this level, to this lows. Probably if going to respect OT long to data high. Do you see the current order block involved in 3 minute? You mean for this one? Honestly, I would like to see break below this OB to trace to OT. Just would like to see OT retracement, you know. We didn't get any like solid retracement before that. I mean, we can respect this. I cannot know like for sure. I cannot see the future. But you got my point. Long was garbage. Overall, look garbage. In real time, in hindsight, it's still garbage. I guess the only problem with long is ES so close to data high, and I am not really sure if ES wants to take data high and NQ wants to take this as well. So it's I kind of question this. Approaching, yeah, approaching all-time high. CPI tomorrow. Just a real question: if CPI tomorrow, what we going to do today? Right? The most important question. You got my point. I'm right now waiting for the break below this lows. And then we will see what we can do with this. I wish I had at least one trade today on gold, but once again, I didn't offer anything good. News offers volatility. That's it. That's why we care about this, in my opinion. So I'm going to ignore this SMT just for now. Low sun, it should be okay on my side. Guys, can you hear me well? It should be okay. I think so, at least. After understand, like my trading improved after understanding psychology in the way like I stopped worrying about my losses. I just started understanding, okay, it's part of the game, and I don't need to recover losses. I'm going to repeat that again every single time when we try to recover your losses. So you don't use any strategy to recover your loss. You see up close candle, you enter in long simply because like maybe I'm going to catch momentum right now. You see like down close candle, you're trying to short. Like without any model, your task is just to recover your loss. So I stopped doing this, just stop caring about this. If loss, it's totally fine. I'm going to come back tomorrow. Once again, just need to once again stop worrying about this. Losses is like business expenses, right? It's like you want to save money, like in your real life, but you need to eat food, right, to survive, and you need to go to the like store, shopping store, right, to buy food, and it's like your expenses because in order to survive, you need to eat the food, right? So you have to spend your money even if you're trying to save them. Same for in market, like it's impossible not to take losses. Impossible. It's just your expenses. Well, bit slow. Yeah, for example, yesterday I took a loss. I was totally fine with this. I know where I did mistake, where I make mistake. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try again because I knew my mistake and I saw opportunity again. Did I care about my loss? Absolutely not. If it could be another loss, this means I'm just totally wrong with my bias. Totally wrong with my bias. So the question is if we may get the test of this loss again. 2 points away from 50-minute fair value gap should take this, I believe. Yeah, guys, me as well. I always hate to be wrong. I'm always like, I was wrong? How's it possible? I'm going to recover this. I cannot be wrong. Market humbles us always, 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 always. Okay, let's see. Chop. Boring price action so far. Fine, it's slow really everywhere right now. Maybe at this point PM may offer something. Please. Be kind with us. As you can see, ES still left data high. Oh, it's break of structure. Just easy to write this. Wanted to type BS, but changed my mind and type BOS. Yeah. 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 Still inside 3 minutes for a value gap. You're trying to short silver? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check. Oh, you brave enough. What kind of setup can you see here? I don't see any just yet. Oh my god, you shorting this. What level you aiming for? Where's your stop loss? I just don't really see lots of opportunities just for now. Once again, I might actually short this as well since we got sweep. Oh, good. Yeah, I'm going to take screenshot of this. I came across a channel called The Profitable Mind. Okay, I'm gonna check this as well. Thank you for letting us know. Like, I will validate shorts probably. Oh, looking for short. Okay. Okay, got it. So, nothing yet. I don't think silver has a September yet. What do you mean by this? I'm not going to give up. Next 50 minutes, I will try to find solid entry. I feel like it's going to over something. Oh, yeah. I mean, like, we got internal sweep. It's okay. See this? Boom. That's it. That's it. Just chop. Just trying to see what kind of level we hit. We have rejection block still higher. Here's 50% of this rejection block at 840. Like so close to this 840 level. I know, like ideally, if I want to short, I would look for short from this level. Maybe something like this. I don't feel like when power of 3 is going to be perfect here. Just overall, no volume anymore. Like silver moves nice until 10. After this, it's just price action, barcode price action. Well, okay, okay. Let's check in queue. So we're waiting right now. What we're waiting for? We're waiting for the break this lows. Just for now. That's why, I don't want to enter this trade simply because, okay, imagine I'm this, I know, like, I enter it somewhere here, but I anticipate to get reaction lower. Like, I'm not saying, like, it will happen, but preferable to take this loss and sit in drawdown. Like, when you understand that probably it will happen, like, feels like 50-50, right? Again, see, you listen, never ever listen anyone, anyone. Be smart. Once again, even if, let's say, just imagine, uh, we have a trader that has like 100% win rate strategy. It's not real situation. Just let's imagine. Mm, and he will tell you like short right now, stop loss here, TP here, but you clearly see right now it's long opportunity. You will enter long, not short, because you must trust your analysis, no matter what. Be smart, okay? you let's be serious once again. I have 100% plus rate. I'm serious right now. Trading is hard. It's hard. And it's fight between you and you. Once again, that's why I don't want to prove anyone. If someone's going to hate me, perfect. I don't need to care about this because I don't need to prove someone something, right? Yeah, I'm watching probably silver to detest 640 level. 640 over here, like actually this loss. We got OB just for now. I'm looking for 625. Maybe. Maybe. But as I said before, I don't want to see like maybe reversal will happen. I would like to see just retracement just for now. Mm-hmm. Waiting for 625. Blue magnet for the tracement. Taking notes. Oh, that's silver. That's silver. Oh my god. Silver better than gold in my just for now, in my opinion. Short, short was valid once order block offer it was formed. That's it. In that mess, it wasn't valid. Once order block offer it, maybe. But once again, just looking for the tracement, as I said before. Look at this garbage, really garbage. But we got. I'm actually trying to look for gold again. Micro gold. Micro gold futures. Futures. Okay, my funded futures account, scale. I have scale plan. I need to trade this. Micro for silver. SIL. I said on silver, maybe it wants to drop hard. I would like to see just the tracement. What level did we hit to say it's reversal? I'm just trying to see. Give me 1 second. Question: why you bullish on silver? Tell me. I need to know. I need to know. Just tell me. Yeah, you. Just tell me. SMT at 4 chart. I mean, like, SMT. Like, SMT always not enough for me to say yes. It's like opportunity right now to short or long. It's always like 50-50. You know, the issue right now with gold, again, it failed to take important level, but we just got potential sweep. Oh my god, it's huge stop loss. Where's 2R? I know, like maybe I'm looking something like this right now. Okay, this morning my analysis on gold was I would like to go here and short all the way down to RDOB. You know why I would like to probably short this? And micro gold took this 15-minute fair value gap. It's always extremely annoying when we have like, let's say micro gold took level, gold failed, or micro NQ took level, NQ failed, and I was like, should I go there? Like, really? Always question this all the time. Let's see, I'm actually trade gold. Previous day OTA. Okay, I got it. I may actually, guys, try to look short next couple of minutes on gold. Let's see what level I can use for this. If nothing, then nothing. It's okay. Just going to stay away until PM session. That's the issue right now. Yesterday I took exactly the same loss on silver because we didn't take any level. And a short, I longed on silver. It stopped me out. Then I just went to key levels that was waiting before. And I longed again and it played out. And right now, I know, like, the reason why I probably, yeah, I will trade PM on TradingView TV. Just join me at 12:30 PM. You trade RTY. Once again, on silver, what I anticipate, maybe once again I am wrong, but I anticipated to get like the tracement. Maybe it will drop like hard. Guys, I will steam PM session today on TradingView TV. So far, it's just really boring. But I might actually look for the trade on gold. Not going to even open NQ anymore. NQ just amazing, beautiful garbage. Stop saying check NQ. If I'm going to take class, it's going to be because of you. If you didn't know about this. You crazy? Of course, I know. On NQ, I would like to see lower to this level. 945. 20 points drop. That's it. Of course I'm crazy, yeah. Like, come on. I trade silver and gold. Like, if you long, once again, stop listening to anyone. If I look for short, you see setup for long, long it. That's it. All I would like to see is 945 retest level. Like, 945, basically low from 10:09 a.m. I said already like many times, I'm waiting for this level to hit. That was main reason why I didn't long this. Because I expect to get first move down to the lows. You want to see 957. I mean, maybe. I'm from Belarus. I'm not from Ukraine. Like, you second person who asked this today. I'm waiting for the OT test. Never was so boring like we have per section, right? SPX retest OT. You mean you want to see lower? Yeah, ideal plan was like we're going to the sell side to go higher. Yeah, it was a plan. Like OT long, potential long. Something like this. Like long. Yeah, OT of this range. Last month, it's like 50-50 because NQ performance was horrible, but gold performance was amazing. So it's not bad, it's not good, like 50-50. Well, stop. Let's see if I can engage. So I'm still waiting for the entry on gold right now. I will let you know once I'm in trade. I'm flat just for now. So hoping to get something good that's worth it. TradeAway, let me check. I will let you know exact symbol because I trade on TradeAway sometimes. For gold, I use. Okay. Here is what I use on gold. If you want to trade micro, MJC V5. It's for trading gold on TradeAway. So no setup right now. So I'm just chilling probably. Sorry guys about this. It connected charts from my laptop. Oh my god, look at this mess. How to watch Tradify? Here's the link to watch Tradify. No, I'm flat for now, just chilling. I know what to do, just waiting for at least something to happen. I might actually try to look for the trade on gold, like in the near future, Hope for this AM session, but for now, just chilling. Yeah, for PPI, it seems strange, honestly. Like since 10 a.m., guys, we stuck again in 20, 30 points of range. I know, I know. Not to take gold. The reason why I'm like trying to be careful with trading gold just for now, I may actually give it a chance maybe later, is this 15-minute fair value gap. It never was so annoying like it's right now. YM. Let's check this out. YM lives her own life, like typical situation. Guys, any good trades today taken on ES or in Q? Share with me. Maybe I'm missing something, but because with current price action, honestly, I cannot see like really solid setups. London session. Come on. I need to sleep sometime. Reverse. Yesterday, okay. I will stream at 12:30 p.m. hoping to get something sold on NQ, maybe gold. Yeah, scalping. I'm bad scalper, you know this. You 1 second before big drop on gold. Why you entered close to like key level? Like key level was over here. Why you longed here? Like what was the reason? You were trying to scalp? I still question this short, honestly, but long in here was really bad decision. But I might actually look for the trade on gold. It's 5 minute chart, so we got sweep, we got one more sweep. Micro gold hit levels that I would like to see on gold right now. So because I anticipate to get at least a retracement from 15-minute fair value gap. And on gold, I would like to see hourly OB 3671.6. That level that I would like to aim for if I'm going to enter short. It's coincidentally from current price level exactly to R. Okay, let me open my funded futures account. Not yet. Looking for entry right now. Let's see. I just would like to be more careful, I guess, with price action. Just connected account. Give me displacement, please. I can try this trade then. You know, I like to enter a displacement as the action from order block. Order block was offered already with displacement. So normally when we have huge displacement, I'm waiting for the trace and back up. and entry at another displacement. So I will use just sell market. Yeah, if you cannot trade on my funded futures gold, you need to go to billing. Just go to dashboard, billing, view, I guess market. Don't really remember how it calls. Trade. I'm going to type your steps. Upgrade. It's free to upgrade. I know, interesting, because I was able to trade gold immediately once I bought accounts. But here's your steps to get account market data for gold. Hope it helps. Yeah, it's already it was immediately available for me. I don't know why it's not available for you. But here's the steps. It's free. Upgrade this. Going to make sure I wrote right steps. Billing. Scroll all the way down. View market data receives. Yeah, I'm going to click that. Trade await. Upgrade. That's it. Make sure you have includes all the following, like all data. It's free, completely free. On my funded futures, just log into your dashboard on my funded futures. On the left side, you'll find billing, and then just click this, and you will be able to trade this. Upgrade this, not trade. Hope it's going to work for you. I'm looking for no, I didn't take the short on silver. I'm looking for the trade on gold right now. You know, I didn't know about this before as well, but one day I received email from my funded futures. I guess lots of people had this kind of issue. They sent email. It was maybe a couple of months ago, like June. I hope so. I think so, or July. Don't remember exact day. But this is how I learned that I need to upgrade data using this billing section. I'm in the garbage right now. You want to say like in queue in this garbage right now? Yeah, you're right about this. I'm waiting for the entry. I'm still waiting. I will use market order at displacement. I'm thinking about stop loss, where I want to put my stop loss. It's going to be probably 50%, I guess. Somewhere here. 93. I will trade like 5 micros. Trying to displace him, I actually trade this. Entry at no, entry like 84, 85, if it's going to displace. To aim for, I don't know, like 71 level. Think so. Okay, let's see if I can engage right now. You didn't know about this. You're very welcome. So happy to be helpful, at least to help something with something. Okay, guys, I'm watching for entry. Obviously, it's not going to be from this level. I will look short. What's the level? Like 84, maybe? Because if it's going to displace, I will enter short, like a displacement immediately. But I'm not quite sure about stop loss, because I consider this stop loss as aggressive stop loss. I will probably use stop loss at 93 level. Yeah. It's going to be 1.5 R. Let's see if we get this. All right. Give me entry. Give me displacement. I will take it. I said 71. It's like 1.5 R. This means risk like 8 points to make 13 or so. 12, 14. Oh yeah. I mean, like, ideally, like entry needs to be over here. Why? Because we got, I don't know, like what kind of level we're trying to respect. Because micro gold took levels that was watching here, so I want to see this move down. As you can see, it was one tick away from 15-minute fair value gap. But once again, the only issue, micro gold took this. Okay, let's ignore this. After this, we saw potential sweep on hourly, and we got sweep on hourly here as well. We were waiting for order block to form. Order block was offered here, but since we got sweep of this high with this up close candle, makes sense to use order block over here. Well, next. So it offered displacement over here, like huge displacement. Obviously, I need to enter at the open of next candle, but I hate to enter after displacement. I'm waiting for the trace, back up. Yeah, like back up somewhere here. But ideal entry needs to be at the open of next candle. Stop loss, like, needs to be at above the swing high, 7.8. But I'm thinking, since we got displacement, should price stay below 50% of this order block, like below 36.93? And if so, stop loss is going to be at 93 level. And I still consider this as like conservative maybe. But honestly, since we got displacement entry at the open of next candle, like I have two options, I guess. So I want to retrace back up to the range, like maybe somewhere here. It's going to be way better than just enter at another displacement, because risk reward is going to be bad at that point. Or it's going to displace like below these lows. I will enter short. But stop loss, it's going to be question. Like here, stop loss is going to be tricky spot. Like we have equal highs, but maybe 50%. Yeah, I just don't like overall. Like we got displacement, but we never got retest. That's why I'm like wondering if I should engage just for now. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. So let's see. If not, for the next 15 minutes, I will take a break and come back for PM session. I will steam PM session. Yeah, sometimes I can sit in my trade for 2 hours and I see, I would say nothing wrong with this. It's funny, guys. Look at the Q chart. Who trades this garbage? Just tell me. Crazy. Like lots of people asking, like, Dasha, why I don't like to trade in EQ? I mean, why? You really want to ask this question? Yeah, for some people it's tradable. It's not tradable for me. So let's see if we did trace and let's see what kind of reaction we can get. Oh, don't touch anything right now. It's garbage everywhere. Fortunately or unfortunately. Thank you, great. Yeah, I will be on Tradify today at 12:30 p.m. Yeah, at least like we're chilling, like no complaints. No, there is complaint. Like we're wasting our time in queue. Like set up, like solid move maybe. Because I hope it's going to offer something during PM session. Because if it's not going to, if it's going to be chopped during PM session, it's going to be crazy day. Why? Because it's wasting of time, like all day. We will see. So I know we got another see like potential sweep. So we will see. That's why, look, like I'm careful right now, trying to think smart. If I want to enter, if I don't want to enter, like, yeah. Oh, you trade micro CL. Okay. I didn't really like how CL moves recently. But gonna check this. Seems interesting. Oh, okay. But it's a 3-minute chart. See how many gaps we have here. CL was nice, I would say, at the beginning of summer. I don't know, like, I wouldn't say it looks promising, honestly. It looks like garbage so far. Just for now. Why I say garbage? Because really I have no idea if NQ wants to take this level. MNQ did. M Not MNQ, MGC did. Gold never ever. That's why I'm like, I don't know. Like, looking at micro gold, this trade maybe makes a bit of sense. But looking at gold chart, it doesn't make sense at all. That's why I'm like, it's tricky. I will look for the trade once again at displacement. I will risk this to enter at displacement. It will be okay. Or if it's going to react from this fair value gap. It always nice to, once we got a solid push up, to wait for the tracing back to discount. That's why. I always look for long overall on gold, like in long-term perspective. We got move up during the night. Nice move up, brilliant move up, but we never actually got retracement. So retracement back to discount, that's all I ask. I'm not asking like for huge drop. I'm asking like for 10 points drop, which is probably nothing for gold. You got my point, I guess. Let's take long. Where's your stop loss? I know you want to aim for all-time high. That's okay. Maybe that's okay. NQ. No way. No way. Unbelievable. No way we moved 30 points instead 20 points. Time to fail to take the sell side to continue doing shit, right? If I will look for short on silver, I will let you know, like on Instagram. Yeah, I'm looking for 36.71, 72 to be more specific. Like, so yeah, it's close to 76. So I'm not asking for huge drop, but once again, everything is possible. Full person. If chat is trying to long, we're trying to short right after this. Gold doesn't want to move. No, I meant like I'm not trying to do anything right now. Look at this. We just got, like, really just got this move. We got potential 30-minute sweep, right? We may actually drop even more. Yeah, if it's not going to display, if it's not going to displace right now below this lows, it's long. But if it's going to displace, probably will take Asia low finally, even more like far fair value gap. Trying to displace. That's a good sign for potential shorts here. Not here, but somewhere in this area. 11th one, yeah, so okay, let's see. Guys, I will see PM session today in 1 hour. Thinking about maybe quick break for 50 minutes. Hello, 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 hello. I will, yeah, probably I will take a break for 50 minutes. I will come back to Tradify TV at 12:30 p.m. today, to Steam PM session, because for now, like, okay, just okay, guys. I'm going to just be flat for now. I'm going to try to trade PM session. I hope it's going to offer solid opportunity for me. Yeah, taking a break right now for 50 minutes. I will going to come back in 50 minutes to Steam PM session. Yes, that's the plan. Okay, don't make stupid mistakes, guys, because for now it's like it could be better for post PPI price action. Yeah, we'll come back in 50 minutes. Maybe something good will happen. We'll offer solid setup. I don't know. We will see. Yeah, guys, I will see you soon. Don't make stupid mistakes. Yeah, out as well here. See you soon, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.